How to Earn Money from YouTube, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be sharing with you the ultimate guide on how to earn money from YouTube. If you've ever wondered how YouTubers turn their passion into Step 1, start by creating your YouTube channel. Choose an engaging name that reflects the content you plan to create. Make sure to upload a profile picture and create an attention-grabbing channel banner. This will help establish your brand and attract potential viewers. Step 2, define your niche. Determine what topic or theme your channel will focus on. It could be anything from beauty, gaming, cooking, travel, or even your unique talent. Find something you're passionate about and that has an audience interested in the same topic. Step 3, develop high-quality content. Invest in a good camera and microphone setup to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Plan your content in advance and create a schedule to stay consistent. Aim for a mix of informative and entertaining videos to keep your audience engaged. Step 4, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help YouTube understand what your videos are about. This will improve your visibility in search results and attract more viewers to your channel. Step 5, grow your audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to their comments, questions, and suggestions. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to gain exposure to their audience. Share your videos on social media platforms to drive more traffic to your channel. Step 6, monetize your channel. Once you meet YouTube's requirements of 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. Step 7, connect with brands for sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may be interested in collaborating with you to promote their products or services. Reach out to brands that align with your content and negotiate sponsorship deals to earn additional income. Step 8, diversify your income streams. Consider creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or merchandise related to your channel's niche. This will allow you to generate income beyond YouTube's monetization program. Step 9, stay consistent, adapt, and persevere. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay committed to creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. Analyze your video performance and adapt your strategy to better cater to your viewers' preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn money from YouTube. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy YouTubing.